What if I told you that you could earn $1,000 or even more just by using credit cards for your normal daily spending? No extra work, no risky investments, just using the right strategy. Banks actually want to pay you in rewards. The trick is knowing how to take advantage of their system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people earn $1,000 in credit card rewards and the simple strategy you can start using today. Part 1, Sign-up bonuses, the biggest moneymaker. The fastest way to earn $1,000 in credit card rewards is through sign-up bonuses. Most credit cards offer welcome bonuses when you spend a certain amount in the first few months. For example, a card might say, spend $1,000 in the first 3 months and earn a $200 bonus. If you open 3 or 4 good cards in a year, that alone can give you $800 to $1,000 in rewards. But here's the key rule. Never spend extra just to get the bonus. Use the card only for things you were already going to buy like groceries, bills, fuel, or online shopping. Part 2, Everyday Cashback Strategy. The second way to earn rewards is through cashback on everyday spending. Many cards offer 5% cashback on online shopping, 3% on dining or travel, 1 to 2% on everything else. Let's say you spend $1,000 per month on normal expenses. Even with an average 2% cashback, that's $20 per month. Over a year, that becomes $240 in free money. And if you combine this with sign-up bonuses, reaching $1,000 in rewards becomes very realistic. Part 3, Using multiple cards smartly. People who maximize rewards usually use 2 or 3 different cards. For example, 1 card for online shopping, 1 card for fuel, or travel 1 card for general spending. By using the right card for the right purchase, you maximize the cashback you earn. Think of it like choosing the best tool for the job. Part 4, The Golden Rule, Avoid interest. Now this is extremely important. Credit card rewards only make sense if you never pay interest. Always pay your full balance every month. If you carry a balance, the interest charges will destroy all the rewards you earned. So treat your credit card like a debit card with rewards. Spend only what you already have in your bank account. So to recap, earning $1,000 in credit card rewards comes down to 3 simple steps. Use sign-up bonuses, earn cashback on everyday spending, use multiple cards strategically, and most importantly, always pay your balance in full. If you do this correctly, credit cards can actually pay you instead of costing you money. If you want, I can also make videos about best credit cards for beginners, how to get approved for credit cards easily, credit card hacks banks don't tell you. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.